What is going on YouTube? Will here with SayPro Designs and bringing you another BuilderNow.net tutorial. This is our website, quick, easy, and simple website builder. It takes about 5 minutes, a little 3-step process, and we're going to walk you right through it. This is the Landscape Blender. You can find the link in the description below on how to get there. And basically, you just fill out your business information, and we create a nice, clean, mobile-friendly preview for you. And you can purchase it directly online and have your site online within about 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, you're just gonna fill out your first name and email address right here. And then you're gonna go ahead and click that blue Get Started button. From here, it's going to take you over to step 1 of 3. Step 1, of course, is to find your perfect domain name. So if you already have your domain name, just fill in that domain right here. If you do not have a domain name, then fill in whatever your domain name you're looking to get, and we will try and secure that for you. If it's taken, we'll give you a call and say, hey, you know, that one's taken. We have another option available. If it's not, though, then we will secure it for you. So for example, we're going to go with willslandscaping.com and go on over to the next step. So step 2 of 3 is the business information. You just fill out the business name. Then you select your industry. This is built for many different industries. Any type of business that you can imagine, we can build a site for with this. So there is about 50 plus default industries we have. There's also an other option. So if you're watching this video and you're not a landscaper, feel free to either select one of these or click the other button. And that just kind of generates the look and feel with the default photo in the background of what kind of industry you're in. If you select other, it's just going to be a blank photo and you're able to upload your own. But for now, since we're on the Landscape Blender, we're just going to select landscape. Then you can select a nice accent color by using this slider. Select any color you want. Landscape kind of gives me that dark green feel, so we're going to go with that. Then over here on the right, years in business or in the industry. So that's obviously different for every business. We're going to just put in 15. What do you specialize in? Landscaping. Let's actually do residential landscaping. Maybe the landscapers, they don't like to do commercial work or for larger projects and whatnot. So we're just, and then this section is services separated by commas. So we're just going to go with mow, blow, and tree trimming. Then head on over to the last step here. Last step is a little bit about yourself. This only requires your first and last name and an email address. So we can create an account for you and obviously get in contact with you via email to send you all of your information once your site is live. I do recommend putting a phone number on your site. Anybody that sees your site and wants to reach out, if you want to be contacted via phone, it's probably a good idea. You can also put in your business address if you have one. If not, feel free to leave that blank as well. But like I said, the only thing we required is first, last, and an email address. So from there, go ahead and click that finish button, and that will generate your website preview. All right, so on the left hand side, you can see we got this nice landscaped house. Will's Landscaping. Welcome to Will's Landscaping. It's nice to meet you. Scroll down here, we got a nice little welcome paragraph, our services that we put in here, an about paragraph as well with how long we've been in the industry and what we specialize in, and then our contact form. So that email address that we filled out on the last page, anybody that fills out this contact form, an email will be sent to that address, and you can see the person's contact information and reach back out to them with a quote or with a appointment schedule for doing landscape for them. If you want to edit anything on here, just click these yellow edit your preview buttons, which appear at the top and bottom of your preview. And all of that information that we had previously typed in is in here, along with a couple other things that you're able to edit. The color, all of that, the paragraphs that we saw that were generated, and these icons as well. So the tree trimming one, we can add in here nice leaf or something to go along with the theme. So we have our 3 icons. You're also able to upload your own logo. You're also able to change that banner image on the front with the house. You're able to, like, if you have your own house or photo of the work that you've done, feel free to change that. And then there's also a photo gallery where you're able to upload 12 photos of your most recent work and make those changes, add those, and then hit the submit changes button. And you'll see we added that leaf icon here, so now that is updated. But yeah, if you were to add a logo, it would appear here in the Will's Landscaping text in the top banner. And then this banner image is also changeable, and then there would be a gallery, I believe between services and about, that you would have your photos, your photo gallery there. So once the preview is to your liking, you'll go over here to the right hand side, put in your account password, make sure that domain name is correct, and then select a payment option. We give you 2 different payment options of $20 a month, or if you want to pay annually, we can save you $40. Instead of paying monthly $240 for the year, we give you $40 off, and it's $200 per year. So you select whichever payment method you want to go with, or payment option, and then you fill out your credit card information, hit that yellow checkout button. If you do not own your domain name and it is available, we have an automated system that will put your website online within about 5 minutes after hitting that checkout button. If you do own your domain name, then we send you over instructions on how to point it to our servers. And once that work is done on your end, then it takes us about another 5 minutes to put it online on our end. Real quick, simple. The point is that we know small businesses and new businesses, they want to get their name out there on the internet. They just don't want to take the time to do it. And that is why we have this quick and easy builder for you. I know you don't want to spend, weeks with a designer or months with an agency on going back and forth with the design and setting it up. We make it real simple. You're able to make the changes necessary you need, and we're able to put it online for you real quick. So with that being said, if you do have any questions about our builder, feel free to let us know down in the comments. You can also email us, support@buildernow.net. We definitely help you out. One more thing, once you do create your site, you do get a dashboard login, like I said earlier, where you're able to go in, make any changes on the fly, live, and then also update your billing, cancel your account. There's no fees, no hidden fees, nothing, no contracts, no obligations. If you're month to month, you can cancel it the next month if you want. And then that's pretty much it. So like I said, feel free to reach out if there's any questions, and I appreciate you guys, and we will see you on the next video. Take care.